You searched how to buy shares of USBC Inc. USBC is a publicly listed company on NASDAQ under the ticker USBC. This is an educational demonstration only and not financial advice. To buy USBC, you will need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and you will need to add funds to place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker USBC to find the company listing. Make sure you select the USBC entry that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to locate the correct stock. Open the USBC asset page to view basic company information and the live price chart. Confirm the issuer is USBC Inc. and that the listing is on NASDAQ before proceeding. Tap the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review order details such as order type and estimated fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once the trade executes, your USBC position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you wish to open an account.